Ever wondered where that deliciously bitter, heart-melting dark chocolate comes from? The story begins long ago with the ancient Mayans and Aztecs, who revered the cacao bean. These civilizations discovered the magic of cacao, using it to create an early form of chocolate that was both a cherished treat and a valuable commodity. The journey from cacao bean to the dark chocolate we adore today is a fascinating tale. From the ancient civilizations to your favorite dessert, dark chocolate has a rich history that's as enticing as its taste. The journey of dark chocolate starts with the harvesting of cacao pods. Now, cacao trees are a bit picky. They thrive in tropical climates, basking under the sun and relishing in the balmy weather. Each tree is adorned with vibrant cacao pods, a sight to behold. These pods are like jewels of the jungle, their rough exterior hiding a treasure within. Harvesting these pods is no easy task. It's a manual process, usually done with a machete or a long pole with a small blade attached to the end. It's delicate work, as each cut must be precise to avoid damaging the precious beans inside and the tree itself. These trees aren't just plants, they're the lifeline of the chocolate we love. They're respected, treated with care and attention they deserve. And it's all worth it. The labor, the precision, the sweat, all to get these precious pods. Harvesting cacao is a labor-intensive process, but it's the first crucial step in creating delectable dark chocolate. Once harvested, the cacao pods undergo a transformation to become cocoa. The transformation is a fascinating journey that starts with two crucial steps: fermentation and drying. The harvested cacao beans are left to ferment, typically in large, shallow containers. This process, lasting up to a week, is essential in developing the cacao's unique flavor profile. Once fermentation is complete, the beans are spread out to dry under the sun. This drying phase is just as important as the fermentation, as it prevents mold growth and further enhances the flavor. Now, it's time for the cacao beans to take on a new form. They are roasted at high temperatures, which not only sterilizes the beans, but also intensifies their chocolatey aroma. The roasted beans are then ground into a paste. This paste, known as chocolate liquor, is further processed to separate the cocoa solids from the cocoa butter. After these meticulous processes, what was once a simple cacao pod is now the familiar cocoa, ready to be turned into dark chocolate. Now comes the magic, the creation of dark chocolate. Our journey begins with pure cocoa, the heart of any delectable dark chocolate. This cocoa, rich and aromatic, is carefully blended with a specific measure of sugar. The amount used is meticulously calculated to balance the inherent bitterness of the cocoa, while enhancing its natural flavors. This is the first step in transforming cocoa into the dark chocolate we all love. Next, we embark on a process called conching, named after the shell-like shape of the original machine used. The cocoa and sugar mixture is ground and heated while being continuously stirred. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Conching refines the mixture, smoothing out any rough particles and coaxing out the deep, complex flavors of the chocolate. It's during this stage that the mixture transforms from a rough paste to a silky liquid. Finally, we arrive at the art of tempering. This involves gently heating and cooling the chocolate while continuously stirring. Tempering gives the chocolate its signature glossy finish and satisfying snap. It's a delicate dance of temperature and timing, but when done right, it makes all the difference. And voila! What started as a humble cacao pod is now a luxurious piece of dark chocolate. Each bite is a testament to the care, precision, and artistry that goes into making this timeless treat. This, my friends, is the magic of dark chocolate. But dark chocolate isn't just a tasty treat, it's also packed with health benefits. Let's delve into some of these, shall we? For starters, dark chocolate is a heart's best friend. Flavonoids, compounds found in dark chocolate, help increase the flexibility of veins and arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. But it's not just your heart that reaps the benefits. Your brain gets a fair share too. Dark chocolate is known to improve brain function. It enhances blood flow to the brain, and some studies suggest it could even protect against age-related cognitive decline. And let's not forget about antioxidants. These are substances that help protect your cells against free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells and contribute to disease. Dark chocolate is a rich source of these powerful compounds, boasting a higher antioxidant content than many fruits and vegetables. So next time you savor a piece of dark chocolate, remember, you're not just indulging your sweet tooth. You're also giving your body a nutritious boost.